Hello everyone. Imagine you're an athlete training for a competition. You practice hard, but without a coach's feedback, you might not realize you're making a fundamental error. Similarly, as writers, we need feedback to refine our craft and reach our full potential. Today, we'll explore how to effectively seek and use feedback to enhance your writing. Understand the importance of feedback in the writing process. Learn how to find and work with beta readers. Discover strategies for incorporating feedback into your revisions. The importance of feedback in the writing process. Feedback is important for several reasons. Identifying blind spots. As writers, we often become too close to our work and miss errors or areas needing improvement. Enhancing clarity. Feedback helps ensure that your message is clear and understandable to your audience. Building confidence. Positive feedback can validate your efforts and encourage you to continue improving. Encouraging growth. Constructive criticism provides specific areas to focus on, helping you grow as a writer. Example, George Orwell's classic, Animal Farm, underwent significant revisions after receiving detailed feedback from his editor, which helped clarify the symbolic elements and improve the overall impact of the story. Finding and working with beta readers. Beta readers are an important part of the feedback process. They represent your target audience and provide information about the readability and overall impact of your work. How to find beta readers. Writing communities. Join writing communities online or in person where writers exchange feedback. Social media. Use platforms like Twitter and Goodreads to connect with potential beta readers. Personal network. Ask friends or family members who are readers to review your work. Writing workshops. Participate in workshops or writing groups where beta reading is a common practice. Working with beta readers. Be clear about your needs. Communicate what kind of feedback you're looking for, whether it's about plot, character development, pacing, or general impressions. Ask specific questions. Provide beta readers with a list of questions or areas you want them to focus on. Respect their time. Acknowledge the effort they're putting into reading your work and set reasonable deadlines. Be open to criticism. Approach feedback with an open mind and be willing to make changes based on constructive criticism. Example, Stephen King, in his book on writing, emphasizes the importance of having a trusted reader who gives honest feedback. Strategies for incorporating feedback into revisions. Using feedback effectively means knowing how to apply it to your revisions. Categorize feedback. Sort feedback into categories such as plot, character development, pacing, and language. This makes it easier to address each area systematically. Prioritize changes. Determine which changes will have the most significant impact on your work and tackle those first. Maintain your voice. While it's important to consider feedback, ensure that your unique voice and style remain intact. Iterative process. Remember that revision is an iterative process. You may need to go through several rounds of feedback and revisions to fully polish your work. Example, Neil Gaiman often speaks about the iterative nature of revisions, stating that the second draft is the process of making it look like you knew what you were doing all along. Assignment, swap a 1,500-word piece with a peer and use a collaborative tool like Google Docs to provide detailed feedback. Write a 300-word reflection on the feedback you received and create an action plan for incorporating it into your revision. Concluding thought, feedback is like a compass guiding your writing journey. It can help you identify areas for improvement and create a more polished and compelling story. Seek out feedback and watch your stories flourish. Thank you for your dedication to improving your craft and happy writing.